In this video, we're going to be creating an exercise where the right hand has octaves, block octaves, going up the white keys, one right after another, and the left hand is going to have block triads. And they are going to parallel each other. So if the triad is in the C position, we'll have C octaves up here. And then D position for everybody, D, 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 and the triad. E position, F, G, A, B, C. We're going to strike that one again and come down. All right? That, in fact, is the whole exercise. So I will do it in one fell swoop. It's a great exercise for beginners. If you have a bigger keyboard, go even further. I can go even further down. Way down there. I also have all of this room up here. And then come down. So, have fun with that.